Hello dear students, welcome to Social Science class. Chapter number 5, Continents and Oceans for class 5th and part 12. In previous part we have completed all chapter about continents and oceans. You know student about that all in detail, continents also, oceans also. And today's topic is there, evaluate. Okay, see here student. So page number 289, all of you open it, page number 289. So all of you open it. So some exercise part, evaluate part, A part, that is fill in the blanks. So evaluate part is there here. Fill in the blanks. See student, your question number 1 is there now here. Dash and dash over dash and dash percent of the Earth's surface respectively. See here student, the question is there, dash and dash over dash and dash. So dash and dash over, see here, and also dash and dash percent of the Earth's surface respectively. See here student, so that is land and water. Land and water over means it is the cover. Okay, so it covered the 29 and 71% of the Earth's surface respectively. Okay, so question number 1 is over here. So once again I repeating this one. Land and water cover 29 and 71% of the Earth's surface respectively. And question number 2, dash and dash are the largest landforms. Largest landforms, actually landform only is there in your textbook. Landform and water body. And water body on Earth respectively. See student, question number 2 is there here now. Dash and dash are the longest landform and water body on the Earth respectively. So answer is continents and oceans. Continents and oceans are the largest landform and water body on Earth respectively. So these 2 questions are completed. So next question, fill in the blanks. I am continuing. See a student. Question number 3, dash connects North America to South America. To South America and dash separates it from Asia. It from Asia. See a student, question number 3 is there now. Dash connects North America to South America. So, and dash separates it from Asia. So, the answer is Isthmus. Isthmus, Panama. Isthmus, Panama. So, that is Bering Sea. Isthmus, Panama connects North America and to South America, and Bering Sea it separates it from Asia. So, next question number 4. So, dash is the highest peak. Dash is the highest peak in Africa. In Africa. See a student. Dash is the highest peak in Africa. You know that, student? So, in Asia continent, which is the highest peak? So, you know, answer that Mount Everest. So, that like in Africa, which is the highest peak? So, it is Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro. And next one, 5th question. Southern Ocean is also known as the dash ocean. Southern Ocean is also known as the dash ocean. So, the answer is Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Okay, students? Part A, fill in the blanks is over. So, once again I am repeating. See your student in your textbook, page number 289. First question, fill in the blanks. So, dash and dash cover dash and dash. Okay. So, its percentage of the earth's surface respectively. Land and water. Land and water, it covered 29% of land and 71% of water. It covers the earth's surface. Question number 2. Dash and dash are the largest landform and water body on earth respectively. Answer is continents and oceans are the largest landform and water body on earth respectively. Question number 3. Isthmus Panama connects North America to South America, and Bering Sea it separates it from Asia. And question number 4. Dash is the highest peak in Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak in Africa. Question number 5. Southern Ocean is also known as the Antarctic Ocean. The answer is that Antarctic. So, Antarctic Ocean also calling that Southern Ocean. You know that how many oceans? 5 oceans. And how many continents? How many continents? 7 continents. Okay. So, part A, fill in the blanks is completed here. So, you should be right in SST book in neat handwriting. So, handwriting should be neat, and after completing your work, you send it my WhatsApp number. and next topic I am continuing in next class. Thank you.